What is going on, guys? Marc Guberti here. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 different ways to make money with your Teachable courses. And if you guys are not on Teachable quite yet, it is a really great platform for you to create training courses and have more control. While Udemy and Skillshare are great free options, Teachable allows you to get your students' email addresses, which makes it a lot easier to communicate with them on your own terms. So that's just in case you're wondering what the difference is between those platforms. Now we'll go into how do we get more money with our Teachable courses. The first step is to actually create more courses because each course is its own stream of income. And when you create a second course, you open up the ability of returning customers. A lot of businesses, the way they work is that 80% of their revenue is going to come from 20% of their customer base. And if you create more courses, you give those types of people more content for them to consume and more courses for them to buy. The second way to make more money with your Teachable courses is to have an upsell. Now, you can only do upsells with a professional version of Teachable, so you will have to upgrade if you are at their lowest level. But what the upsell allows you to do is when someone buys the course from you, you are able to immediately present them with another offer, which is usually higher priced and has more promises and value in it. And I've seen this through my virtual summit strategy, where having an upsell does a really great job in boosting the overall revenue that summit makes, because the lifetime pass for one of my summits is usually $47, and then to get an upsell to something around $97. And a lot of people tend to buy the product I recommend in that upsell, and it just really adds up over time. The third strategy for making more money through your Teachable courses is to offer your courses in bundles. As you create more courses, especially as they are similar to each other, it may make sense for you to include some bundles. So pretty much you have 3 $47 courses, and you also have a bundle where students get access to all 3 of those courses for $120, let's say. So there is a discount if you buy through the bundle versus if you buy each course individually. And it is that sense of a discount that will entice more people to buy. People are really attracted to any offer that makes them feel smart. If a $200 item is discounted to $100, they're more likely to buy that item than a $100 item with no discount. Even though the prices are the same, even if they're the same exact product, discounts really get people to buy, because when you buy on a discount, when you buy on something like a bundle, it makes that person feel smarter with the purchase. And you also have more upfront value coming in. So instead of someone buying the $47 course, then a few months later buying the other $47 course, a few months later buying the other $47 course, and that's to say that they actually proceed to buy all 3 of those courses, you get the bundle price, the $120 in this example, up front. And this is exactly why a lot of companies, while they do monthly payments, there is an annual option available. So Teachable, for all their plans, they do have the monthly option, but they also have an annual option. And I do recommend, actually what I do is I pay the annual version, because once you're on Teachable, you stay on it for a while. All the people who I've referred, they stay on Teachable for months, some of them, but most of them actually stay on Teachable for years, because when you put your courses on Teachable, you create the sales pages. It is an environment that you don't want to leave, because then you lose all of that progress. So I do recommend an annual version if you do try Teachable out for a few months and you like it. But that's the idea with the bundles. You get more upfront value, you get more upfront revenue, even though all 3 courses, if someone actually bought all 3 of those individual courses, you would technically make more money, but the bundle is more attractive, especially for someone in the moment. The fourth strategy to making more money on Teachable is to offer a free course. Now, free courses you can't make any money on due to the fact that they are free, but they will get you more students. And if you do introduce an upsell, like we talked about a little earlier, you can turn that free course into some revenue. Now, there are some things you could do in the free course to make more money. This is going to be a little bit of bonuses because I honestly didn't think this would be the fifth strategy. I didn't plan for this, but the ways you can make more money with the free course is at the end of the free course, introduce your strategy call link or introduce your next course, introduce the next way for people to work with you, but paid. The reason it's good to mention this at the very end is that people who make it to the end, they've gone through all of your other content, which means the relationship is much stronger. You could also use a free course to introduce an affiliate program. So on the thought of Teachable, maybe a Teachable tutorial course for free with the intent of getting someone who's new to Teachable to join through their affiliate link. So there are a few different ways you can make money through free courses. That sounds like a separate video. Let me know if you guys want that in the comments. But a free course will ultimately help you build your email list, which is your most vital asset. And that will help you not just sell whatever you put in the upsell later, but it will also help you sell all the future courses you roll out. The great thing with creating more courses and growing your audience at the same time is the compound growth. Your first course, maybe you only have 100 email subscribers. Your second course, maybe you have 200. Your third course, maybe you have 500 or 1,000 subscribers or 2,000 subscribers. And as you create more courses, that is going to really compound over time. The fifth way to make more money with your courses is to recruit affiliates. This is one of the most powerful ways to make money. And with all my virtual summits, the most successful ones always have an affiliate army behind them. So there are a few different ways you can go about recruiting affiliates for your virtual summits. One way that people don't think about too much is look for other products in your industry and just put review at the end of them. So Self-Publishing School is a really successful company that helps people to become successful authors. And there's a training course based on the same name. So I just Google something like Self-Publishing School reviews, and I get a bunch of people who left a review on a blog post or even on a YouTube video. And I reach out to each of those people individually, let them know about my thing. This is very similar to software. So Teachable review, ClickFunnels review, ConvertKit review, you just put review at the end. You see who's leaving the reviews because those reviews are, they have their affiliate link in there and they are comfortable promoting affiliate offers. And then you introduce yourself and your course to those people. Now, it's better if you can have a proven course first. So just have the course up already, do your own internal launch so that you're able to see that this gets sales. Because there are two things that this helps you with. One, it actually helps you convince affiliates to join you because they have a bunch of other options, especially the ones who are more high ticket, like the affiliates who get you thousands of dollars in commission. They have a lot of different offers on the table. So you want to make sure yours is convincing enough for them to promote you. The second thing that this is good for is you want to have the product sell. You want to fix the stuff on your end before the affiliates join. Like if you have a 2% conversion rate and you're able to fix that to a 4% conversion rate before you get affiliates, you just doubled the amount of sales that affiliates are going to bring you. And since you doubled their commissions, they're more likely to work with you. So if you're at that beginner phase, it would be good to build the relationships with the affiliates now, so that you're not reaching out when you need them. It's not like you're saying, I have this course and I'd love for you to promote as an affiliate. These are all the different things I could provide you with and help you make commissions. Instead, the way that you are structuring it is this is a relationship, it's a friendship, and a few weeks or months later, then you have the course, then you do your internal launch, and then after looking at that data, tweaking some things, you then invite the affiliates to join you with promoting that course. And again, Affiliates care about the commissions. They care about how much money they make promoting your offer. So the more money they make during that initial promotion, the more likely they are to join you for future affiliate promotions, and also try a lot harder when it comes to the different channels they use to promote your course. So those are 5 different ways to make money on Teachable. If you guys aren't on Teachable yet, we do have a link down below which you can use to join Teachable. If you join through my link, I'll be sending you a course detailing a whole bunch of strategies you can use to make money with your content. These are some of the advanced strategies that I only put in that course. So definitely, if you guys are considering Teachable, you may want to consider that link. And also, if you are new here, we always love if you could subscribe, gently tap the like button. See you guys in the next video.